Hey you guys, I wanted to clarify how to do the Google Doc thing so I can actually see your annotations. If you just download this file, I won't see your annotations at all. So that's a problem, yes, but there is a solution. So say you want to make a comment here, add the comment, double click the sentence or the word that you want to make a comment on or your annotation. Click this plus and then go ahead and add whatever you want to add. Then there's another step, and everyone forgets this, so just really put a post-it note on your computer or something, because this happens time and again, and um I hate for you guys to have to redo your stuff, and reshare with me. So anyways, always go up to share and then click anyone with a link, because there's options. What it's going to have, the default is restricted. So you got to change it with anyone with a link. Usually there's another option, maybe something about people with LCC emails. Well, don't fart around with that. Just go with anyone with a link, because who knows what email I'm logged into. And then over here, instead of viewer, make sure it says editor, because then I can see your actual annotations, please. Because if it just says viewer, this is actually what I see in your, I don't see the annotations. I'm sorry to keep going on. After that, then go ahead and upload the Google Doc link. So again, here's the Google Doc link. It says copy link, then you're done, and then go. So when you upload it, what you're going to have to do is upload a dummy document. And some students have just done a blank sheet of paper, just have it on your computer and upload it every single time, and then you'll be able then to copy and paste the Google Doc link into the assignment Dropbox comments. Again, after you upload a dummy document, then you can copy and paste the Google Doc link to the assignment Dropbox comments area. And then I will be able to read your comments and your annotations, and I can respond, whether you like it or not. So, all right, I hope this helps, and I hope you have a great day.